So I've kind of done, well, I cleaned this area rather than tidied it. As you can see, this, yeah, I should like fold that, and my bananas just live there because I don't really have anywhere else to put them. But I've just cleaned this area because it was in dire need of it. And yeah, so don't look too closely at the worktop because it's not good. And then I'm cleaning the hob at the moment. So really, as I've got a few days off work, because otherwise I'd lose them. It's Sunday now, but otherwise I'd lose them because of the way our holiday works. So I've done some hoovering this morning. It is untidy, but at least it's cleaner than it was. Sorry, I've got a mint imperial in my mouth because they're my fave. So yeah, I've done that area of the kitchen. I need to do this area and sort stuff out and tidy things, but yeah, probably tomorrow. Sorry, I got an email. I will be doing some organisation of my rail and stuff. I bring you over here into here, but like this rail, and like sorting that out and switching it out to more spring things. Not that it can really go anywhere, but sorry, that looks so yellow in there. To more spring things, because it's spring, and although we can't go out, I want to like take away some of the winter stuff that's on that rail and move it into spring. So I am off out for a little walk. Sorry I cannot zoom out on this. I have to stand quite close to here because the railing isn't that far back, but I'm going out for a little, what is it called? Government approved one a day walk thing. And this is the outfit I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this like, sorry, that was like the door, like this jacket. Well, it's like a hoodie half zip jacket thing that I got in Primark. Excuse la mess down there. And then I always take this bag. This is like my lockdown bag now that I take out, so I can put all my essentials in it, because I put water bottle and stuff like that in there, my water bottle, wallet, keys, because I always wear these jeans. These are the ASOS Bone Skinnies, which they do not make the same anymore, because I tried to buy some and they don't do them anymore, so that's really annoying. But these don't have pockets. I haven't got corona. So yeah, this bag was from Levi's. My mirror is filthy, I've just realised. So really bad. I did not realise that. So yeah, that's from Levi's, which is in Bicester Village. Take my wallet and stuff just in case, you know, the police stop you and they need to know some ID or something. And water bottle, keys, sunglasses because it is pretty sunny. And yeah. And then I'm just going to wear my Zara trainers. This has also got a hood, but I'm not going to wear it like that. So I've come to, there's like a little stream down here, and I didn't generally what am I saying? I didn't know about this place before like the other day, so lockdown's good at finding new places. That this is only like down the road from my flat. Down the road, like a 2-minute walk. So yeah, it's quite nice and peaceful down here at the moment. Yeah, it looks a mess. It's very windy today though. So it's next day now. I probably didn't really film much of yesterday, but yeah. So day whatever of lockdown. I don't know what it is. What is it? Nearly a full week, because we went on proper lockdown on Tuesday. Don't know what the date of that was. Oh, 24th. And it's now, what day is it? 30th today. But yeah, don't worry about my hair because I washed it today because it was urgently in need of a wash. But today what I'm going to do, I keep looking over there, I should be looking here. If we can see, this is my wardrobe. slidey doors, but here is my rail, and I won't show you what's on the floor here, but kind of a bit of a mess. What I want to do is switch out some of that stuff for that stuff. So this is my rail currently. There is stuff on here that probably shouldn't be on here, but I've just put on there because it was new and it's just stayed there ever since. But as you can see, there's some jackets here, and there's some, oh, that's focusing on my hand, jackets here, and then like jumpery stuff there. But I probably want more of my, there's some wintry jackets there which need to go in here, because that half of the wardrobe is winter jackets. As you can see, there's like, it's not winter jackets, well, it's meant to be coats and jackets in this half of the wardrobe. There is a bag there which has got a box in which I need to get rid of. Chest of drawers here which has got like underwear, socks and pyjamas in, but I want to move more springy jackets from there here, and more wintry jackets from here to here. So I'm actually standing on my bed right now, but this is kind of the situation at the moment. So all my like winter coats are now in here. So we've got my puffer jackets, and then like shorter jackets, and then moving on to like overcoats and stuff like that in there. So just out the way, because one, we're in isolation, won't be going out anytime soon, and two, it's not the weather for this now. It's moving into March, April, literally in a few days. So yeah. Now just put some of the winter jumpers that were on the rail there here, as you can see at the end of this half of the wardrobe. So these jackets and coats that are now out here are going to move to my rail that's not in the wardrobe. So that is the rail as it stands now. Don't worry about this section of it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. It's just staying as it is, but the jackets are now sorted. So we've got my, like, I guess most warm ones at the front. I don't really wear this was the, what was it, £3 find from Zara that I found in the Scope charity shop, but it is like pretty beaten up, to be honest, and it's like my dog walking coat. This one is one of my most worn. It's from, what's it called, John Partridge, which I got in TK Maxx. That's kind of the one I wear to work more. This one you would have all seen, Primark one, wear that a lot, 80s. This one I've literally had since 2012. It's from H&M. I had it in like my second year of uni, I think it was, or third year, so 2012, 2013, something like that. So it's literally 8 or 7 years old. And then I've got more fleeces here. I put my really big fleece, teddy fleece, whatever you want to call it, away, and these ones are just from Primark. This was literally £3 or £2. Then I've got like denim jackets, so Primark, a vintage, like well, maybe not a vintage, but it was a charity shop find of Levi's, another Primark, H&M, and then I've got more like lighter jackets here. This one probably will not fit me anymore. It's from Zara and barely fitted me when I had it. Well, still got it, but you know what I mean. This like leather, but not leather pleather. Then I've got, what's that? Oh yeah, like a Harrington style jacket, a varsity style jacket, and then like a corduroy jacket, and then another one of these which is not as thick and substantial as this one. And I really wanted this one, but I just didn't want to pay full price because it was like 25 quid for that. So I got it on the sale in Primark, and I got this one instead, which I do really like because it's got the turquoise accent and down there, but I've not worn it in a while. So yeah, that was me sorting out, like moving stuff around, sorting stuff out. And that's probably the major thing I'm doing today, because I'm not working today because I've got it off. I had it pre-booked before all of this happened. What is that? Oh yeah, that's the bag I took out there. Pre this. And I'd lose it otherwise, because we have to take our holiday that we carried over from last year, which I had 2 days, one I used earlier on in the month, and yeah, so I'm taking that today, and then yeah, which does mean I've got 4 weeks, a few 4-day weeks, that's what I'm trying to say, which is good because of Easter and stuff, which just breaks up the days. I'm really close to the camera like that. So yeah, that does break up the days and stuff. And yes, I know I'm wearing this cardigan in like every video. It's because it's like my house cardigan, like a dressing gown kind of thing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're all safe and well, staying indoors, staying safe, doing what your government is telling you to do. Yeah, I have felt pretty, I don't know, just average at the moment. When it first started lockdown, I wasn't feeling 100%, but I'm getting used to it now. The whole Tesco situation was a bit scary, but we'll just have to get used to that. And yeah, I've got to go again in the week, probably Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Probably doing more vlogs at the moment, so I'll see you soon. Bye.